Yesterday we were molding the large rocks that we're going to use on the backdrop for the Polar Express model train layout, and this morning I released them from the molds, the three that I made, three large rocks and then a number of small rocks that I made yesterday. This is the rock wall. I had some of those actually in place already, showed them in yesterday's video. This is the base rock, and this actually was five rocks that were, or six rocks that were in the same mold. So you can see them there. There's also some pieces of debris around them, but that's going to make a very nice look on the backdrop. And then the faceted rock, which is the largest one, thickest, deepest, largest one, is this one here. The molds, after the rocks come out, are not in too bad a shape. Fairly clean, not completely clean. There are always some little things that stick into the cracks and crevices, and you can see some here as well. One of the things that I did to get the rocks to release more easily was I used this heat gun, and I had it on the close to the lowest setting, and from the underside of the mold, from the mold side, not the rock side, but the mold side, I heated them for a couple of minutes each to soften the latex rubber that makes up the mold, and that helped the rocks that had been molded of plaster, hydrocal lightweight plaster, to release more easily from the molds. The molds are fairly thick and they get a little bit stiff, but by doing this, by heating them using a heat gun, or you could use a hair dryer as an example, it helps to get them to release from the molds, to soften the molds enough to get them to release without damaging or distorting the shape of the molds for future use. So that's the result of the work that was done yesterday on molding the hydrocal into rock molds, and this is going to look really, really good on the backdrop of the layout once I get the get them affixed in place on the backdrop and then get them colored. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe if you haven't already done so, and give me a big thumbs up. I really appreciate that. Also, any comments that you might have, that would be great. I appreciate comments as well. Thanks for watching.